Hello, Miguel. I'm here to meet you all guys.
That's great. And how did you know my name?
Well, I was going to tell Austin to introduce you. Anyways, my name is Greg, and this is Wednesday, Yuko, Luni, Miss Callie, Emeraldwood, Smurfcat, Robot Steve, and Dodo Bird.
Hello, my name is Wednesday.
Hello, my name is Yuko.
Hi, my name is Luni.
My name is Miss Callie Emeraldwood. You can call me Miss Emeraldwood, but you can use my TTS secondary voice will be Amy.
I'm Smurfcat.
I'm Robot Steve. Nice to meet you.
And my name is Dodo Bird, but you can use my TTS secondary voice will be you.
Nice to meet you all, Greg. Wednesday, Yuko, Luni, Miss Callie Emeraldwood, Smurfcat, Robot Steve, and Dodo Bird.